Because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hand, the goal of the exercise was to make sure that he used the Air Force to protect his image. Rajnath Singh ji said that Operation Sindhur began at 1:05 in the morning. Operation Sindhur lasted 22 minutes. And then he said the most shocking thing. He said at 1:35 we called Pakistan and we told them that we have hit non-military targets and we do not want escalation. मतलब आपने पाकिस्तान को डायरेक्टली अपनी पॉलिटिकल विल बता दी कि आपके पास लड़ने की पॉलिटिकल विल है ही नहीं, कि आप लड़ना ही नहीं चाहते हो. Surrender, immediate surrender in 30 minutes. Captain Shiv Kumar, Defense Attaché, Indonesia.
I do agree that we did lose some aircraft and that happened only because of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military establishment or their air defenses.
क्या होगा? हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे? So the point is, aircraft were lost. Meaning you went into Pakistan, you attacked Pakistan and you told our pilots, do not attack their air defense system. Meaning you tied their hands behind. The Indian Air Force made no mistake. The mistake was made by the political leadership that said you cannot attack the military infrastructure. Why? Because the goal of this exercise was to protect the Prime Minister's image.